No time to clean.
Initiating cleaning.
This robot will take care of your home. Let's get unboxing. The SwitchBot S10 is equipped with a dual-station system. One station is for dust collection and charging, and the other is for automatic water refilling and draining. This means you won't need to manually empty dirty water or refill clean water. The robot does it all for you. Setting up the water station is straightforward. Simply connect the given water station nuts to your water supplying unit. You can connect it to your sink, washing area, or any suitable water source. There's also an option for using external water tanks if plumbing isn't convenient. Once connected, you need to connect S10 with the app. Once you set up with the app, S10 starts mapping your home. Using the sensor at the head of the robot, it moves all over the edges of your home. After mapping, it automatically divides your home into section-wise. Once it is done, it asks to mark the water station. Select the water station location. Robot will automatically move to that. After successfully marking the water station, it goes back to the charging station. Now let's look at the S10 in action. Default, it is in vacuum mode. It means the robot cleans all the dirt in dry action. But the USP of the S10 is the mopping mode, with a roller mop that cleans and self-cleans continuously. This roller spins at 300 times per minute, ensuring the mop head is always clean. Plus, it has a scraper to remove any excess dirt or dust. Let's look how this S10 works when liquid's on the floor. Watch how it handles. It picks up the dirt, cleans the floor efficiently. This ensures that your floors are cleaned thoroughly without any manual intervention. After completing the cleaning, S10 automatically goes to the water station, then drain the dirt water, and cleans the filters. But how does it handle doormats? When S10 detects the mats, retracts the mop and stops spraying water. This prevents your carpets from getting wet. Another cool feature is the drying function for the mop. The auto-empty station blows hot air at 50 degrees C to dry the mop, preventing mold and bacteria buildup. Let's check the temperature. It's reading 41.5 degrees Celsius, which is perfect for keeping everything clean and dry. Overall, the SwitchBot S10 is a best in home cleaning. With its advanced mopping system, powerful suction, and fully automated water management, it takes convenience to the next level. If you're looking for a hands-off, efficient cleaning solution, the S10 is definitely worth considering. So, what do you think of the SwitchBot S10? Are you ready to buy this smarter cleaning routine for your home? Check product link in the below. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more reviews and tech updates.